Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Welcome to a world where your garden becomes a storybook, where the gentle crunch of pebbles underfoot and the shimmer of stone beneath flower petals create a magical, modern-day oasis. Today, we're diving into the timeless charm and transformative beauty of pebble garden landscaping ideas. Whether you have a small courtyard, a cozy backyard, or a sprawling green space, pebbles bring texture, contrast, and tranquility into every corner. Ready to explore designs that whisper calm and spark creativity? Let's step into the world of natural elegance, one pebble at a time. Round stepping stones and pebbles. There's something incredibly charming about the contrast between soft, loose pebbles and the clean, structured presence of round stepping stones. This style draws inspiration from Japanese Zen gardens, where every step feels intentional and grounded. Choose large circular pavers in a neutral tone, think concrete gray, natural slate, or even terrazzo, and nestle them into a bed of smooth, pale river pebbles. The visual effect is stunning, a floating pathway that feels light, inviting, and subtly sophisticated. Place this setup between garden zones, from your patio to a small seating nook, or to guide visitors toward a hidden reading corner. Add low ground cover plants like moss or creeping thyme around the edges for softness. It's an easy, low-maintenance solution with high design impact, perfect for elevating a modern or minimalist garden. Pebble flower beds. Next up, let's talk about pebble-lined flower beds, a simple design trick that delivers major curb appeal. This landscaping idea uses pebbles as a backdrop to showcase vibrant blooms and lush foliage. It's not just about looks. Pebbles help retain soil moisture, discourage weeds, and improve drainage, making them both decorative and functional. Use dark gray or black polished pebbles to make colorful flowers like lavender, marigolds, or hydrangeas pop. Or go for white or tan pebbles for a Mediterranean vibe with succulents, rosemary, or ornamental grasses. Outline your beds with larger stones or timber borders, and fill in the gaps between plants with a fine layer of small pebbles. You can even play with pebble colors and sizes to create geometric patterns or soft gradients that feel like living art. This technique transforms ordinary beds into elegant, designer-worthy spaces, and the best part? It's incredibly easy to refresh seasonally. Fire pit lounge under a pergola. Imagine this, a cozy fire pit glowing under a wood pergola, surrounded by friends, laughter, and a sea of pebbles that softly glimmer in the firelight. Creating a fire pit lounge with a pebble base isn't just a visual treat, it's a practical choice that's fire-safe, durable, and low maintenance. Start with a circular or square area beneath your pergola and level it with compacted sand. Fill the space with smooth river stones or pea gravel in earthy tones like brown, gray, or ivory. Nest your fire pit in the center and arrange outdoor chairs or built-in bench seating around it, adding cushions and throws for comfort. You can even layer larger stepping stones from your house or patio to this lounge area for continuity. String lights above and you've got a warm, inviting ambience perfect for entertaining or simply soaking in a peaceful evening by the fire. The sound of footsteps on gravel, the glow of embers, and the feel of nature all around. It's an experience you'll crave night after night. Loving these serene, stone-inspired ideas so far? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us which pebble garden idea is your favorite, or if you've tried one yourself. Your feedback keeps this channel thriving and helps more garden lovers like you discover beautiful ways to elevate their outdoor spaces. Nature-inspired pebble feature. If your garden is your sanctuary, then a nature-inspired pebble feature might just become its soul. This can take many forms: an abstract spiral made from pebbles in varying shades, a dry riverbed curving through your lawn, or even a small pebble mosaic in the shape of a leaf or lotus flower. The beauty of this idea lies in its storytelling. You're not just laying stones, you're painting with them. Select pebbles in complementary tones, grays, whites, blues, and warm tans, and sketch out your pattern. Use a garden hose or string as a guide to shape curves and designs, then fill in with pebbles, adjusting placement like you would with brush strokes on a canvas. These features can live alone in a quiet garden corner, alongside a small bench, or become a central focal point in an open lawn. Surround them with native grasses or flowering perennials to blend the hardscape with softscapes. And don't be afraid to let it evolve over time, just like a natural landscape would. Garden path with river pebbles. Last but never least, let's take a stroll along a river pebble garden path, the kind that feels like it's always been there, weaving organically through your outdoor space. Unlike standard concrete or tile paths, river pebble paths feel earthy, textural, and full of character. They're ideal for cottage gardens, natural landscapes, or tropical-style backyards. Begin by defining your path with metal, brick, or timber edging to keep pebbles contained. Then layer the base with landscape fabric to prevent weeds and add a layer of compacted gravel. Finally, pour in your smooth river pebbles, either all one shade for a sleek look or mixed tones for a more rustic, weathered vibe. You can make your path straight and purposeful, or let it meander playfully through flower beds, around trees, or past a bubbling fountain. Light the way with solar lanterns or low-profile LED path lights, and the result is both functional and enchanting. Every time you walk it, you'll feel like you're slipping into a calm, private escape. Outdoor haven. If you're dreaming of an open-air retreat where you can unwind after a long day, think beyond grass and mulch. A pebble garden haven is the perfect low-maintenance solution that offers both beauty and relaxation. Start by selecting a neutral pebble palette. Think soft grays, sandy beiges, and off-whites that reflects sunlight and sets a calming tone. Lay the pebbles evenly to create a base, then add a few statement pieces. A hammock draped between two trees, a weatherproof chaise lounge, or even a minimalist pergola for partial shade. Elevate the tranquility with clusters of ornamental grasses, strategically placed lanterns, and a subtle water feature. The gentle crunch of pebbles underfoot creates a sensory experience that's grounding and peaceful. With this setup, your outdoor haven becomes more than just a space. It becomes a mood, a daily escape, and a beautiful fusion of structure and wild nature. outdoor space with a Zen garden. If you love simplicity and clean lines, a Pebble Zen garden might be exactly what your space needs. It's not about filling your garden, it's about creating thoughtful emptiness. Begin by carving out a small section of your yard or patio and filling it with light-colored fine gravel or sand. Then, arrange smooth pebbles and larger stones in asymmetrical groupings that mimic natural riverbeds or mountainous terrain. Incorporate elements of traditional Zen design like a bamboo waterspout, a small wooden bench, or a single bonsai tree for contrast and contemplation. Use a rake to create wave-like patterns in the gravel, an activity that's both meditative and visually pleasing. This garden doesn't require blooms or constant care. Its power lies in stillness, repetition, and quiet design. It's perfect for morning mindfulness, evening reflection, or simply admiring the purity of natural form. If you're loving these ideas so far and imagining your backyard transformed into a peaceful paradise, go ahead and click that subscribe button, if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if it's inspiring your next project, and leave a comment below sharing which idea you'd love to try. I read every comment and I'd love to know how you plan to use pebbles to beautify your space. Pebble and succulent display. One of the most eye-catching and low-maintenance combinations in garden design is pebbles and succulents. These hardy plants thrive in dry conditions and pair beautifully with pebbles, both visually and functionally. To create a striking display, start with a shallow container or raised bed. Layer it with pebbles of varying sizes, larger ones around the edges and finer gravel or crushed stone in the center. Then, plant a mix of succulents like echeveria, haworthia, and sedum in creative groupings. The pebbles help with drainage and temperature regulation while also adding a polished finish to your arrangement. Consider adding driftwood, small sculptures, or even a geometric border for extra flair. Place this display on a patio table, a corner of your balcony, or even as a centerpiece in your garden. It's compact, artistic, and thriving with personality, proof that small details can make a big impact. Mosaic succulent garden pot. If you're short on garden space but high on creativity, mosaic succulent pots are a must-try. Think of it as a mini garden that doubles as a piece of art. Start with a terracotta or concrete planter. Using strong adhesive, attach tiny mosaic tiles, colorful glass, or small pebbles to the exterior. Create patterns, swirls, mandalas, even abstract designs, then grout and seal for a weather-resistant finish. Inside the pot, plant a vibrant mix of succulents and fill the topsoil with decorative pebbles for a polished look. These pots are great for porch steps, windowsills, or gifting to fellow plant lovers. They're durable, customizable, and completely charming. Plus, they bring a bit of your personality to the garden in the most creative way. You can even theme them. Try blue tone tiles and white pebbles for a coastal vibe, or earth tones and green succulents for a desert-inspired design. The possibilities are endless, and every pot tells a story. Beautiful garden pathway. A garden pathway isn't just a way to get from point A to point B, it's a journey. And when pebbles are involved, that journey becomes a visual delight. Pebble pathways can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. You might lay down smooth river rocks in a neutral tone and border them with bricks or timber, or go full artistic with a mosaic-style pebble path featuring flowing patterns and swirls made from multicolored stones. Use contrast to your advantage: white pebbles next to dark stone borders, or earthy red tones against lush green grass. Add stepping stones or natural slate pieces intermittently for balance and ease of walking. These pathways not only guide guests through your garden, they invite exploration, encourage strolling, and tie together your landscape with elegance and creativity. Lighting is key here. Consider placing solar lanterns or soft string lights along the edges to illuminate the path at dusk. With pebbles underfoot and subtle glow above, your garden transforms into a magical evening escape. And there you have it, 10 beautiful ways to transform your garden with pebbles, from whimsical pathways to artistic features and cozy fire pit lounges. Pebbles are more than just stones. They're storytellers, mood setters, and tiny sculptures in your everyday outdoor haven. Whether you're designing a peaceful Zen retreat or a bold backyard statement, there's a pebble idea waiting to bring it all together. Thank you for spending this creative moment with us. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite design in the comments. Until next time, step softly, dream big, and keep your garden blooming with beauty.